Hey everybody, 80 Jackson 330 here, and today I'm filming an unboxing of the June VillaBeautifful Cool Vibes kit. If you're into hollow and bright summer colors, then this is a kit for you. So let's get started. So first up we have this month's papers. You get 4 sheets, 8.5 by 11. They are double-sided, and I love that all of these patterns on this side kind of remind me of Saved by the Bell, like that kind of graphic design. And then on the back you have some strawberries, popsicles, and pineapples. This one has a pineapple print, and don't mind these bends in the paper. The kits do not come that way. My post office lady is terrible at delivering my packages into an acceptable manner, not just shoving them into a mailbox. So I'm gonna lay some books on top of these and flatten them out, but I just couldn't wait to show you how cute these were. I love these different leaf colors she chose for this one. And then finally we have this really pretty flamingo paper. In addition to those, you also get 2 sheets of specialty paper. This is one of the vellums, and it's got this really neat holographic pattern on it. I love that shine. I could look at that all day. And then we have the holographic pineapple sheet. And hollow is going to be a big theme of this month's kit, and it looks just so great with all of these fun, bright summer colors. So this is the small journaling card that came with the kit. It says girls just want to have sun. It is the small pocket size, so perfect for adding onto a dashboard or stuffing into some pockets. And then we have the larger card, and this is definitely going in my traveler's notebook ASAP because this is just such a cute card. I love the font, the colors, the pattern, so cute. Next up we have the stickers, and I will start with the 3 mini sheets. So we have 2 different date covers as always, so you can make it last a couple weeks. You can pick and choose if you like one pattern over another one. Then you have your half boxes and quarter boxes. And this super fun sheet of deco. I mean, how cute is that pineapple floaty and that little tote bag? Next up are the full-size sheets. We've got 3 of those, and I will give you a close-up starting with the full boxes. Lots of fun summery prints and patterns on there. And then we've got half boxes and quarter boxes, a clipboard sticker, and I am really digging these sunglasses illustrations. And the last full-size sheet is going to be these page flags, the banners, the icons, and some checklists and circle icons. Remember I said hollow was going to be a big theme? Look at this pouch. This sheen and shine is just mesmerizing, honestly. I love it. So let's open it up and take a closer look. And here is the unstuffed bag. It's still pretty transparent, but how cool is that hollow effect? I love that. This month's kit also included a planner clip with a hollow effect on it to match the pouch and the vellum. And here is a close-up. It looks the same front and back, so no matter where you put it in your planner, it is going to look awesome. And this month's sticky note pack features a ton of room for writing, along with a side serving of ice cream cone deco, complete with sprinkle details. And even the background, this kind of watercolory ombre reminds me of a summer sunset. Just amazing colors in this kit. Next up we have 2 washi tapes that were designed exclusively for this month's kit. First up is this skinny striped roll featuring some gold foiling. And then we have the standard size roll, which features some foiling as well, showcasing some leaves, watermelons, and pineapples. Lots of really pretty tropical details. Next up is a specialty item for this month's kit. You get 2 holographic foiled pin loops, one pink with a pineapple and one blue with an ice cream cone. And as you can see on here, you just lift this back, peel back the adhesive, stick this down in your planner wherever you want it, and then you have the pin loop area, which you just slip your pin through. And these are designed to fit the VB pins. Which brings us to our next item. Now, I saw on Instagram that Tiffany nicknamed this pin the Fruity Pebbles pin, and I think that is just so perfect. It matches it so well. I love this mix of crystal sheeted, all the fun, bright colors, and the white barrel just makes it pop. It has gold hardware, And these are the standard gel pens. And this kit comes with a refill as well. So now for a demo, we are going to take one of these pen loops for a test drive. Just kind of stretch that out a little bit. Slide your pen in. And then, yeah, you would just remove this adhesive on the back, slap it onto one of your dividers in your planner, and you've got the perfect little home for your VB pen. I love when you get stuff like this included with a kit, the fun extras, the special surprises, and it's always something that I didn't know I needed until the shop released it, so that's always just a bonus for me. This kit is just summer perfection. All of the colors just scream beach day. It definitely makes me want to go spend a day on the pier, eating ice cream, and hopefully you guys love it just as much. Don't forget to check out the Villa Beautiful Facebook group and her Instagram account, and be on the lookout for next month's kit, which is mermaid themed, so you know it's going to be great. And that does it for this unboxing. Check out the description below for shop links and my PR team discount codes. Thank you all so much for watching, and hope y'all have a great summer.